Because it's on my fishing pole. That's why I feel so good.
Yeah, you gonna get the net out?
Yeah, we don't want to lose the first fish here, Roger. Doesn't even matter if that's an 8-pounder, Paul, you're going to have to keep it. It might be the only fish. Well, maybe the secret was going to the bigger lures. Nah, it wasn't that big. Couple of pounds.
That's something. Hey, here's Paul's fish.
I think it has to do more with the wiggle. Yeah, turn it sideways. We can't see his. Yeah. So, okay. I think it has a lot to do with the wiggle. How big is this? 16 or 18? I don't think I have to worry about him flipping off. Go ahead and drop him there on the measurer.
16.
16. Okay.
16 and a half.
Okay. Good. He's growing.